हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके फेवरेट चैनल पैस प्रोएक्टिव अकाउंटिंग एंड टैक्सेशन नॉलेज. Today we will discuss about three golden rule of accounting, which which is very important if you want to make career in accounting field. If you are new and beginner, so it is very good video for you. You must know about these accounting rules. What are the main basic accounting rule? What are the golden rules? So we'll discuss about this golden rule. Once you know about these rules, you can go ahead in accounting field, because accounting is very vast, and in this field, if you aware about this principle, you can easily pass the entries. So let's start about knowledge of golden rule of accounting. The first one is real account, second is personal account, third is nominal account. What is real account? Real account is related basically with the asset and liability. What is the basic rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is the first golden rule of accounting. Student, whatever comes in the business, that is called that is we say the debit, and what is goes from the business, that is we say the credit. So in the real account, if business receives something of value, property in goods, it's represented in the books of as a debit. And if something of value goes out from the business, it's represented as a books credited. For example, Vijay deposited cash of rupees 10,000 in bank on 1st January. So Vijay deposited cash, so the bank will be debited and the amount will be credited. So आप ये अच्छी तरह समझ लें कि रियल अकाउंट में ज़्यादा करके एसेट एंड लायबिलिटी से ही रिलेटेड होते हैं. द अकाउंट्स डू नॉट क्लोज एट ईयर एंड. जो भी इसमें रियल अकाउंट्स में आते हैं वो इस विद इन अ ईयर वो क्लोज नहीं होते हैं. तो इसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल हमने दिया आपको बैंक अकाउंट का. तो यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस रूल स्टूडेंट्स. द मेन golden rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So now come to the next golden rule is personal account. What is personal account? Personal account is related with the individual, any individual, artificial person or natural persons. So it is related to person. So it is called the personal account. An example of personal account is drawing account. Whatever you draw from the account is also called a personal account. The basic rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. In case of personal account, when business receives something from the another business or individual, the first business become receiver and the second business or individual from which it received become the giver. The example that Ravi bought gift of rupees 10,000 from Kailash shop. So it is comes as a personal account on 3rd January. So the entry will be purchase account debit, the Kailash shop will be credited. So if Ravi has purchased a gift, so the 10,000 purchase amount is debited and the payable account will be credited. So goods is coming, so it is debit, and amount is going, so it will be credit. So the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Hope that you understand. If you got any query, you must write us on the query box. Then we'll reply you. Another rule is, third rule is nominal account. What is nominal account? Nominal account is basically related to the expenses. It is expenses related to revenue expenses, salary expenses, whatever the office expenses, whatever the expenses we do in the particular year, that is comes under the nominal account. It doesn't carry forward. Mostly it is debited and transferred to main accounts permanent accounts at end of financial year. The basic rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. If business incur loss of expenses, then the books respectively entry is represented as a debit. If business earned profit and gain income by way of rendering service, then the entry in the books is represented as a credit. Example, the Rita pays the business rent of rupees 25,000 for premises held her on 10th of the each month. The entry will be the entry for the April month will be as follow. So the in this case the Rita is paying the 25,000 rent. So rent account will be debited and the bank account will be credited because we are giving the we are paying the expenses and we are debiting the expenses. So the example is given students the debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. So this basically this golden rule is related with the profit and loss account. In the profit and loss account, all debit goes to expense side and all credit goes to income side. So hope that you understand this three golden rule. If you have any doubt, you must write us and we will explain you. हमारे दो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे इस चैनल्स में ज़्यादा करके वीडियो अकाउंट्स एंड टैक्सेशन से रिलेटेड हैं जो आपको आपके फील्ड में जाने से स्ट्रॉन्ग आपके करियर को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे और अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स हो तो आप अच्छे से पेपर अटेंड कर सकते हो जिसमें आप एक अच्छा गुड मार्क्स अचीव कर सकते हो. हैव अ स्टूडेंट्स हैव अ गुड डे.